My name is Lina. I'm a graduate from Cambridge University with a degree on economics, and I graduated in the year of 2003. Subsequently, I did an MPhil degree on real estate finance, also with Cambridge University, and I graduated with the master's degree in the year of 2004. I'm currently a self-employed finance and compliance consultant for public sector clients. So my clients include multilateral aid agencies like the United Nations agencies, European Commission's donors, various charities, as well as universities. My day in the life varies from clients to clients, assignment to assignments, or even country to country. I do have a scope and a pattern of the finance and compliance work that I would like to deliver to each client in each project. I would say a typical week in the life would involve me delivering training workshops or capacity development sessions to the entire finance team and also the C-suite non-finance management. So we cover topics like budgeting, financial reporting, audit methodology, internal controls. I also do regular donor financial reporting and have these regular meetings with our donors and sponsors just to share our project progress update. And similarly, I also draft or review a new budget for any sort of upcoming project, and I share those and discuss those with donors. I also attend industry conferences. Say the Accounting Institute in the UK have very good conferences for us, so I also attend those on a regular basis, just so that we can network and also share the best practices knowledge with our peers for charities and in the development sector. So my clients have included various European Commission donor projects and United Nations projects. So I was involved in auditing the beneficiaries that receive major grants from these multilateral aid agencies. In addition to these audit experiences in the public sector projects, I also had different work, say, with universities, Christian charities, etc., etc. I would say the specific work that I do for each client and each job differ based on their needs and urgencies, but it's also a good learning opportunity for me to grow my knowledge and also experience different industries. So I'd say it has been the most rewarding experience for me being a self-employed consultant. So after graduation, I started my career in Deloitte & Touche in the UK. So Deloitte is one of the big 4 accounting firms. So I was a trainee accountant with them. And after 3 years, I got my chartered accountancy qualifications. Subsequently, I moved into the banking industry, and I have worked on various internal audits and compliance management roles for banks, including JP Morgan, Barclays Bank, and HSBC. The jobs were all based in the UK, but we had our fair share of travel in their European offices and also Indian offices in order for us to execute the audits properly. So I would say that was a very interesting experience, and I also learned a lot, about finance and banking. So after spending around 13 years in the private sector in banking and accounting businesses, I listened to my gut, and I believe I want to capitalize my skills and experiences on finance, banking, audit in the charity and international development sector. I believe this sector really speaks to me, and I believe this is a sector that truly helps the world, that truly makes a good impact to a community or to the world or to an industry that it is serving in. So starting from 2017, I changed gear to become a self-employed finance, audit and compliance consultant for various public sector clients. So in a sense, choosing the right career path is quite subjective. It depends on the individual's preferences and capabilities. But I would say whichever path you choose to be on, make sure it's the path that speaks to you. It's a path that you believe will make a positive contribution or good impact to the society or to the product area that it is involved in. Because in any jobs, we will face a lot of stress and oppositions or disagreements and long hours. And it is that belief in your mind, the belief that your efforts and talents are making are changing the world positively. It is that belief that would keep you motivated in the job and keep you doing well in the job. And I'm sure Cambridge graduates are all very diligent and dedicated. So once they have embarked their career path, they would put a lot of efforts and use their talents well in the job, and they will do well. But I would say at some points, they also need a bit of adventurous spirit. In the sense, they need to diverge slightly from their career path into a new path that hasn't been traveled on, or that has been less traveled on, and use their talents, capitalize their past skills into developing or improving that new area, because that's how you make your mark. Another important point is, in whichever career path that you choose to be on, make sure that you enjoy the work and you get some fun out of it. Because you'll be spending 5 days a week at least in the same job, meeting the same people or set of stakeholders. It's not a very good job if you're not enjoying it or having fun out of it. So make sure that it is a path or a job that you can enjoy and have fun from it.